And the Lord said unto Jeremiah, Go and tell the people that they should keep my covenant and my commandments, for they have forsaken me. Paralipomena of Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 1. For this decree, we are tuning into 417 Hz. This is known as the undoing frequency, the frequency of facilitation and change. It is specifically designed to help clear the energy of past mistakes and traumatic patterns, making it the perfect resonance for a call to return to the Father's original instructions. When this was written, the nation was at a breaking point. The Babylonian exile was looming, and the structure of society was collapsing because the people had walked away from their operating manual, the covenant. In that historical moment, this verse was a final legal notice. It was a wake-up call that their protection and their peace were tied directly to their compliance with the Creator's laws. To forsake the covenant wasn't just a religious error, it was a total abandonment of their post. Now, we look at this through a modern lens. Today, forsaken looks like the confusion and chaos we see in the world, the shifting records, the Mandela Effects, and the search for peace in all the wrong places. We have collectively moved away from the foundational blueprints. 417 Hz helps us undo that drift. It vibrates at a level that breaks off the layers of pride and stubbornness that keep us from admitting we've lost our way. Applying this today means doing a personal audit. We have to look at our own 8 acres, whether that is your physical land or the territory of your mind, and ask, have I forsaken the original instructions for a cheaper version of peace? We apply this by using the frequency to clear out the old, stagnant energy of disobedience and replacing it with the firm, unshakable frequency of the covenant. It's about standing in the command center of your life and saying, I am returning to the original terms of the contract. If this frequency resonates, subscribe and share to help others recover the record. Check the pinned comment now for 100% free resources and the link to our Scion Sanctuary Hub app. That's where you'll find the 88-book library, our forensic study circles, and the healing solfeggio rooms. While you're there, hit the community marketplace to support our members' natural products, or visit the Spiritual Tribunal Resource Center for our official books, metal signs, and empty tomb apparel. Every bit of support fuels our 501c3 mission, and stay tuned for our upcoming 50-50 profit split that will allow our members to share in the harvest. Step into the sanctuary and let's build the kingdom. I'll see you in the Enoch Circle. Shalom.